Hi kids, welcome back. For today, we are going to discuss your lesson about identifying pieces of evidence affecting chemical change with the presence and absence of oxygen. For our most essential learning competency, investigate changes that happen in materials under the following conditions. Number 1, presence or lack of oxygen, and number 2, application of heat. For today's objective, identify pieces of evidence affecting chemical change with the presence and absence of oxygen. Let's ignite your curiosity, discover something new, unleash your inner scientist with Science 5! I am your virtual teacher, Teacher Regine. Last time, we learned that oxygen is the end product of photosynthesis in the food production of plants. It also the life-supporting component of the air for humans and animals. But what are the pieces of evidence that we can observe in a material that chemical change takes place with the presence and absence of oxygen? Let's find out. For our guide questions, Number 1. What is chemical change? Number 2. What are the examples of chemical change due to the presence and absence of oxygen? And number 3. What are the evidences that presence and absence of oxygen cause chemical change? Take a look at the two illustrations. What does the first illustration tells us? How about the second one? Which of the two shows presence of oxygen? How about the absence of oxygen? Does the two shows chemical change? How? Let's identify the pieces of evidences. The two illustrations tells us chemical change that could happen if there is a presence and absence of oxygen. From our previous lesson, we defined chemical change as chemical change. It takes place when a new substance or material is formed. This could be possible if the material is exposed to heat. Always keep in mind that chemical change always form a new product due to the chemical reaction that takes place in a material which is possibly influenced by the presence or absence of oxygen. Let's try to observe this set of illustrations. Are these set of illustrations are examples of chemical change? Which of the two is a chemical change due to the presence of oxygen? How about the chemical change due to the absence of oxygen? Set A shows the chemical change due to the presence of oxygen. Burning candle, rusting of iron, exposed sliced apple, and live fish. These are the examples of chemical change due to the presence of oxygen. While set B shows the chemical change due to the absence of oxygen. Applying paint on metal sheets, covering burning candles, sliced apples in a Ziploc bag, and fish kill. These are the examples of chemical change due to the absence of oxygen. Here are the evidences that presence or absence of oxygen causes chemical change in a material. For burning candle, for a candle to produce light, oxygen, heat, and fuel are needed for combustion to take place. Covering burning candles, Covering the burning candles with glass extinguished the fire due to the lack of oxygen. Rusting of iron. Evidence: rust is the end product of chemical reaction of water and oxygen to iron or steel. Applying paint on metal sheets. Evidence: covering iron or steel with paint prevents water and oxygen to react with iron. Exposed sliced apple. Evidence: prolonged exposure to oxygen and other air contaminants causes the apple to decay immediately. Sliced apples in a Ziploc bag. Evidence: securing the apple in a tight container or bag prevents the entering of oxygen and prolong the freshness of the fruit. Live fish. Evidence: enough oxygen in the water makes the fish alive underwater. Fish kill. Evidence: overpopulation of fishes in a body of water causes less supply of oxygen. These can lead to death of fishes. Did you learn something new in our today's lesson? Good job! I'm so happy to hear that. See you again in our next lesson. This is your virtual teacher, Teacher Regine. See you again in our next one. Bye!